In this video, you're going to learn how to create levels in Dynamo and run a cool script like this. Boom. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. So we're going to start this video off, tutorial that is, by creating a new project. So go to File, New, Project. I'm going to create an architectural template project. As you can see, it comes preloaded with some levels. So we have level 2 and level 1. You can also create levels on Revit directly by using the copy tool or the array tool. So copy the first level to using the reference line, or you can also array it. I'm pressing AR on my keyboard to array. Select the second line and give around 8. But the problem with this method is that you need to go into each level and mention the heights separately. You can also make levels this way, but we're going to use the Dynamo way, which I feel is way cooler than our existing level creation process in Revit. So to create levels using Dynamo and then plugging it into Dynamo Player, we go to Manage and click on Dynamo. So once Dynamo is open, we can create a new node. We can also delete these levels which we've just created and make sure level 1 is renamed to level 0 so that the next levels start from level 1. So to create levels, we need a node called elevation by levels. So we're just going to search for elevation. So you can see there's a node called by level, creates a Revit level given its elevation. The name will be whatever Revit gives it. Alright, let's go for this. So now we need to given a set of elevations. So we can use the sequence node for this. I'm just searching for sequence in my canvas. To search for nodes on your canvas, you just need to right click and search for them. So the sequence starts with the base level, and then we have the total number, and then we have the height. So I'm just going to give a number slider, and I'm going to copy this down. I'm going to rename this to my base level. This is going to be total number of floors or levels, and this is going to be my height. And we also need to change the min and max. So our base level is generally at 0, but you can change it also to 2 or 3. So I'm just going to leave it at around 5, and the steps are going to be 1. Total number levels, let's say 100, and keep the step at 1. And the height as well can be starting at, since our units is in mm, we can mention the max as around 6,000 for a double height building, and the steps are going to be in 1,000. Alright, so let's plug this in to our sequence. So now if you run this, it's an automatic, so it runs automatically. We have around so many levels. So as you can see, it comes with the end 3001. Yeah, that's because my base level was set at 1. I can't be 1 mm, so I need to change the base level as well. So the max would be around 3000, and min would be at least around 500 or 0. Let's leave the steps at 500. Alright, so now we can go at a step of around 500. Alright, so now when we plug this into our level by elevation, it's going to create the elevations. So I'm just going to make this smaller and also make it into manual mode. So now if I plug this into elevations, level by elevation, and click on run, you can see that all our elevations have been created. So very simple script. Now what if you want to bring this into Dynamo Player? This is also very simple to do. So what you need to do is these are going to be our inputs, and this is going to be our output. So right click on base level, click on is input, similarly for total number of levels and height, and the level by elevation is going to be is output. So once you're done with that, you need to save this file, call this as create levels new, and close Dynamo. And if you want to bring that into Dynamo Player, click on Dynamo Player. So Dynamo Player takes all these scripts from a certain folder. So this is the folder where we have all our sample scripts and the scripts which I have created. So we need to copy the one we just created to this folder. So I've copied this file to this folder, and I'm going to close Dynamo Player and open it again. So now if you scroll down, we have the script ready to go. So I'm just going to open the script. You always need to edit the values before you run it. So don't directly run it on Dynamo Player. So now in this case, I want to change the base level to 1000, my total number of levels to be around 41, and my height to be around 4000. And now if you click on play, you can see that our levels have been updated. So this is a pretty cool script, and I hope you learned something out of this video. I'm going to start my channel with simple scripts, and then we're going to go slowly into complex scripts. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated on releasing Dynamo videos on a daily basis. You guys can check out my other Dynamo videos too by clicking on those boxes there. I hope you find those useful as well. Like always, I'll see you on the flip side. This is your host, Manish, signing off. Ciao.